So hemichordates are a branch of the tree of life that looks like a worm, but it's actually fairly close to a group called echinoderms, so sea stars, starfish, and sea urchins, sea cucumbers. And there are two kinds of hemichordates. There's this kind that are called acorn worms, really this worm-like body that sit on the seafloor and pick up sediment, and another kind that are filter feeders that form colonies. And here Jason's managing to get the worm relatively free. It's full, you can see, of sediment. That's our risk, is that it's got so much sand inside it that's heavier than the body, it'll just tear it apart. But he's doing a great job trying to tease that animal into the suction sampler. Hemichordates and echinoderms are a branch that are then closest relatives to the branch we're in, chordates. So understanding the genomics of these animals and of echinoderms has been undertaken in the last few decades to really give us more insight into our own genetic heritage. So he's doing a great job here getting it into the slurp sampler. We're not going to suck it all the way up because we're pretty sure it will be shredded. So we hope we can lift it up and put it into a little bio box. You can see how much of the body is full of sand and mud, so it's they're incredibly fragile. And we would really like to get it up as intact as possible for photography and DNA. About a dozen of these species of these animals have been named in the last 10 to 15 years, but certainly this is one of the few that have been seen off the coast of Australia, so we're hoping we'll have a chance to study it. If you want to look up some of the other images of these online, you can look up one of these has got the name Yoda, Y-O-D-A, after the Star Wars character. The appendages you can see there that are trailing off above the gut here. He's got it, and then the original one that was described that forms a circle like this is called Torquator, Torquarator. And he's managed to get the animal up, and I can tell you we're rocking a bit right now, so J-Rod's done an amazing job to lift this animal up, and now we're going to try and find a container to put it into.